Did you know Amazon was selling live plants? Yes, Amazon India. Well, I kind of did an experiment and I think it came out very interesting. So why don't you stay tuned? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrita and surprises of surprises. Amazon India is selling live plants. Outdoor plants, house plants, or you call them indoor plants. They are there on Amazon India and I just stumbled upon them. And it was an interesting journey where I bought two plants, and I would like to show you the unboxing of them and the state of the box and how they came to me, and then I'll show you the plant that I actually got. So why don't we just get started? So this is the first box. It looks all right. I believe the pot has been tied down, if you can see those wires. So overall it looks okay. On opening you can see the plant. It's all right. It's in a good condition. And I'm just checking to see what else is there inside the box. And there you have it, the Hoya Carnosa Crimson Princess. That's the name, I believe. And he is looking all right. They had covered some paper to ensure that the soil didn't spill out, but unfortunately it did. I think the box got shattered around, but overall the plant was not damaged, which is a very good thing indeed. And there goes the wet paper, and the soil is loose because there was a kind of a spillage in the box, because I guess it got tossed around while shipping and it wasn't handled exactly very properly. And I'm just checking to see how much, if in case I need to put any soil, but overall it's all right. It's not that bad. And there we are, gorgeous plant. And here comes box number 2, which was completely shattered and most unexpected. This was a very pathetic packaging and handling of the box. Let's see if the plant survived or not. I have very little hope, because as you can see it's completely damaged from the top and it's a struggle to get inside. But nevertheless, let's keep our fingers crossed. And here we go. Finally managed to get it open. And the big reveal is coming up soon. And here is where the mystery is. We just have wet paper on the top and some tape and a broken stem, if you can see, but more mud in the packet, more soil. But in the end, I'm just checking to make sure what I am seeing is true. But overall, as you can see, there is no plant in that. So number 2 is a dead plant. So here he is. This is, I believe, the Hoya Crimson Princess. And as you can see, this was the only one which came out in a perfect state. It's in a good, healthy condition. And so far, I haven't moved him out of his original pot. So he's pretty doing well. I was surprised that they gave me these hanging wires as well. I did not expect it to be a hanging plant, but there it is. And it's doing well. As you can see, beautiful foliage. Okay, I have a few very minute damages to this plant, but overall I think he's okay. I haven't watered him because I know for a fact that Hoyas don't need a lot of water. So I have not watered him, but I have checked that yeah, it's kind of moist, and most probably I just might have to give him a little bit of water tomorrow. But yeah, quite a beauty. So let's see how he does in the coming few months. But yes, overall I'm happy with him. I am. And considering you don't get Hoyas in my area, I think this was a good purchase completely. Oh, look at that variegation. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think I have a pure white leaf somewhere here. Let me just find that for you. Okay, there. Oh, my camera. There you go. Can you see that leaf? The new leaf that's come out. It's got a bit of a tinge of a pink. And he's got this white and the green forming outside. So very beautiful plant. Very, very happy with this. Oh, camera, please do focus. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. That's it, guys. That's for today's video. As you can see, my purchase online and my online experience was a 50% success and a fail rate. I'm kind of gonna stay off the online market unless you guys know somewhere in India where they give you good packaged plants, because I was a little disappointed with my Amazonia allocation. Honestly, I was looking very forward to that plant, but as you can see, that was not a successful purchase for me. So in case you do know, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, please do subscribe, please do like. And till the next time, guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe, bye. I begin to